Hi everyone, this is Miss Wynn with Ten Oaks. You are in 8th grade ELA. I wanted to hop on here to kind of show you guys a walkthrough of the module. Every week we are going to have a module. If you are not with me in class, you will most likely be using the module to help kind of guide you through everything. Every week I'll have a letter of intent. Sometimes you guys will see Mr. Marole on here. He is also an 8th grade teacher. I tag team with him as well. So you'll see some of his videos in addition and conjunction to what we are doing on a daily basis. In Module 1, we'll do our DGP. Every week we have some grammar practice we got to do, and we analyze one sentence to determine the word parts in the structure and to look for the purpose of the sentence. Every week's module, you'll familiarize yourself with some grammatical concepts. This week, there's no activity for that. In Module 2, you'll do your independent reading. Currently, we are doing The Outsiders, and we will jump into that in a little bit. I'll give you a little more detail. We'll also do some writing, so to improve our writing skills this year. We're going to do some in-class virtual sessions. Just like the art of reading, writing takes practice and commitment if you really want to improve yourself. So below, you're going to be watching a video in the module. Then we'll be doing some listening and speaking, because we talked about how talking and communicating to other people is the art of our language, right? So throughout the year, we'll be given opportunities to sharpen our listening and speaking skills, and we'll practice through that as well by creating some podcasts, maybe having some class discussions with each other, and presenting some speeches in front of our peers. And then in Module 5, we are going to actually do our why, how, what project. So that will give you a little more information on the how, why, what project. This video here, Mr. Marole is going to explain a little bit more about how to put it together. If you need any help or getting to different links, if you don't have it favorited in your bookmarks bar, this is just a slide with some useful links that you can click on to get to where you need to. And then if I, for some reason, add more slides into the week, or if you want to see previous slides from last week, this is where I will put the archive of our slide deck. And if you have any notes, this is your place to check yourself. I hope this helps out, and I look forward to using this year for you guys to be able to keep organized.